Hello everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to create a mini journal from the previous release of Art by Marlene, and I'm going to quickly show you all the products that I got from that release. So to start off, we have this new neon color paper. This pad includes papers from two sizes. So if you work on one of them and then attach to the other to frame it around it, look how cute it looks. And it includes all these neon colors. Look how beautiful they are. And I also got two stamp sets. One is this. These are sort of perfume bottles, and the other is mini doodles to help you create your backgrounds. And then I got two of the collage papers. One is this colorful ones, and the other is black and white. Look how beautiful all the patterns are. And then finally, I got these two beautiful die sets. One creates these tags. Look how many dies you get. You get one that creates the outer decorative tag frame, and then another one that creates this inside frame. So you can create two, one on top of the other, so the other one will look like it's framing it. And then we have these reinforcing for the whole, and then we have a mini tag that you can place inside the pockets. These pockets are created with another die that creates three long pockets that fits exactly the size of both the tags. And then you have this decorative elements to embellish your tag. And you're gonna find all linked down below in case you want to check any of them. And this is the one we're gonna work with today to create the mini journal. It is just amazing. You have this big frame that creates the journal pages for you, the base, and these are all the frames, all different shapes. Look how beautiful this creates a pocket. These are different sizes, and this one with the heart on top. Look how beautiful this frame is, and this one with the decorative border. They're all just amazing. I'm gonna walk you through how to create the base of the journal. So the main big die cuts the middle of the page like this, exactly in the middle, leaving this part attached, and scores all the folds for you. So all you have to do is crease this first fold that it created, and then you will have these two flaps, and then you will keep folding them like in a zigzag pattern away from you, and then the other side away from you, and then you flip again and fold towards you until all the zigzag pattern is all folded into a mini cute journal. So I'll keep doing it over here, back and forth, and then make sure to fold properly with my bone folder away from you and then towards you. So again, I'm going to fold and press with my bone folder, and this is how it should look like once done. Let me show you. It's gonna be something like this, one side attached and the other not. So what you're going to do is open it like this again, and then you are going to glue. It's all written on the back of the packaging, but I'm gonna show it to you over here. You're trying to create pockets as you're attaching both the sides to each other. I applied glue on only two edges of the first page so we can create a pocket. Over here we're going to do the same thing. We are going to apply the glue on the long side and then the bottom side, so you have an opening from the top, which is again a pocket. This mini journal is so cute that it's gonna have a lot of tags coming out and some sentiments coming out of these pockets. You're gonna see as we create it, and you're gonna see at the end it will look so cute with the all these pockets. And I'm gonna show you how to create the pieces that go inside the pockets. And then for this is the last part that we're gonna glue, and here there you have it. This is going to be your journal, and the ends are gonna be the front and back. These are gonna be the outside covers. And I did save us some time, and I quickly used my watercolors to create backgrounds. Here I created something like a sea because I know what I'm going to put on top of it. It's gonna be like an ocean sea scene, and this is the pink one, yellow one, and here I was going to place a car, so I did create a grass and a sky. And let's begin to decorate our background with some texture. So I'm using the stencil from Art by Marlene. These are beautiful stencils that come in three in a pack, and they are three different um, sets. And here is my background created, and these are the cute elements that I got from the pop out booklets. And I am going to glue them on the background. I did change the color of this boat to yellow. I think it was green. I changed it to yellow so it would pop against the blue background that I created. And then I'm going to glue my elements in the on the background, directly on the background with just the glue. Please excuse how I sound. I'm still recovering from the bad bronchitis I had last week. And here is my scene. Look how cute everything is. I changed the color of the fish and of the hat, the party hat of the fish, so they would all match together, and the polka dots would match the polka dots on her swimming suits. Then I brought these Doodle rubber stamps, and I'm just lightly pressing them against ink pad, and then I am stamping just to make it look a little festive, so they're celebrating. On to the next page, I'm going to use one of the stencils again from the same three stencil pack, and then I would usually always go around all the edges of my art journal pages just to make them pop like this. And here is one of the Art by Marlene doodling stamps, and I'm again pressing it against the ink pad, and then I'm randomly pressing it here and there in the background. I don't want it to be a properly stamped image, so I'm not placing it on an acrylic block. I'm just pressing a little bit of it so it looks like it's not continuous. And then I'm bringing my fine tip markers. These are acrylic markers, and I'm just going to color these little doodles to make them pop against the background and show. I'm gonna just any doodling lines here and there just to give some more visual texture and interest to my background. And look how cute it looks. I love the pink and the blue combination of the background. And we're going to do the same thing for that page, so all the pages are seamless and matchy. For this blue one, we're going to use the pink marker, and look at the magical difference it makes. It quickly makes the background more interesting. Look how cute. Okay, over here, I wanted to put this, glue this little dog on the page. That's why it was pink, so it would pop the blue of the dog. And then I placed him sort of, half of him is outside of the page, and then we're going to cut that half, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. I wanted to create something from the sentiment that I saw in one of the booklets that said, why fit in when you can take more space? So I thought I'll make this behind him is a pocket, and I'm gonna glue the rest of his body to that pocket so it comes out from the pocket to show that he can take more space. And to decorate the page where we're gonna place the sentiments, I decided to bring these two bones from the cutouts and place them as if he's looking at them. For the next tiny layout, I chose to cover the pages with this collage paper that is in one of the pattern collage papers that I was just showing you unboxing at the beginning of the video. And then I am going to flip my pages and cut all around it with my scissors. And then we are actually here creating like a sort of a bathroom wall scene where we are going to place this bathtub. I did use one of the dies that included in the set, and I did cut the girl bathtub, and we are going to I did find this brick pattern that I'm going to use for the bathroom walls, and I cut it to be a little smaller than my background, so a little bit of the framing is showing around it. I did use one of the dies that came with the big die set to create this little brick wall. And then I found this in the cutout booklet. I found this cute hanging towel that I thought would complement nicely the rest of the bathroom scene. I did glue the towel and glue the girl in the bathtub, and I did cut another little page, a little tiny scrap of paper from the brick pattern with one of the dies that is included. These dies create these little sort of tags that can go inside the pockets. They are the size of the pocket. So I thought out of the pocket should come a little tag that has the shower head. And look how cute it's gonna look when we put it inside the pocket. I just thought that it needs a little more accentuation, so I am adding little lines to define the shower head all around it. And then I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it comes out of the pocket. Like how cute. I still didn't figure out what I'm going to add as a sentiment over here. Look how cute the shower head is. So pretty. And I like the decoration on top. So for this scene, it's going to be sort of like a picnic. And I'm placing this table with the picnic essentials. I think a lantern, a mug, and a tea pot. And I did glue them directly to the background. Here I'm coming with the little die that I also created a tag to go inside the pocket, and here is the part where I'm placing the rest of his body. So when you pull out the tag, it shows that he's taking space. Again, placing a couple lines over here and there as if his tail is moving. He's being happy, pulled out of the tag. Look how cute. And this is how it's gonna look like. Just make sure that you take enough space whenever you're around. Look how cute. And then to create the cover for the mini journal, I just cut this scrap of white paper to the size of the mini journal, so it would be a front and back cover to the mini journal. And I did score it 2 little lines in the middle, so it creates sort of a thickness of the booklet. It takes the thickness of the booklet. And then I'm just going to attach it to the mini journal with this tape runner. Just placing it in the middle. I did cut it a little bigger than the art journal, so I decide how big I want it, because I don't want it to be the exact same size of the journal pages. I thought I'll make it a little bigger, so I am, excuse that I'm outside of the, can you see the thickness over here? I think it's very easy to see that it has a little thickness, so it can accommodate how thick the journal is. And here is the part where I'm going to cut and leave a little white space So the cover is actually a little bigger than the art journal pages. This is how it looks. And then I'm going to die cut these two words that come with the die set, and it says mini journal. It's just perfect for this journal. And I'm using these collage papers to cut I chose a little pink background for the word mini and a little blue for the word journal, and they're all matching with the other colors from the inside. Look how cute. And I'm going to glue them to the front. I did also find these two hearts that were cut out from the word mini, and I used it to embellish the on top of the word mini. I'm gonna show you what I mean here. I'm just making sure that this is aligned. I'm putting two glue dots, and then I'm going to take the hearts from the die cut. This is the die cutting machine is my sidekick. I'm gonna link it down below along with all the materials I'm going to use today. So if you want to check any of them, look how cute the cover looks. And here I use this die to create this tag to go inside my first page that says cheers, and I did add dare to take up space, so he's daring to take up space. Look how cute. And then on this one I had a sentiment that says think happy thoughts. All these quotes are from one of the mini sentiment booklets. These are stickers, and let's take a quick look at how it finally looks like. The tag comes out that says cheers. They're here celebrating, having a party. And over here it says dare to take up space, and the tag comes out to show the rest of the dog. I did embellish a little enamel dots here and there. This art journal was so much fun to create. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.